This is another tip from the old fat guy. Today we're going to talk about mother sauces. In classical French cooking there are 5 mother sauces, and from those mother sauces they made almost every sauce we know about today. So we're going to go through them so you know what the 5 mother sauces are. The first of the 5 mother sauces is bechamel. Bechamel is made with a roux, which is fat and flour, and then they add milk or cream to it to make a thickened sauce. They use bechamel to make cheese sauce like you put on your broccoli or Mornay sauce. It is a thickened white sauce. The second of the mother sauces is veloute, which is a light sauce made with chicken stock and again a roux, flour and fat. But you can also have a fish veloute with fish stock. It is the basis for chicken supreme or supreme sauces and allemande sauce. The third of the mother sauces is Espagnole sauce, also known as brown sauce. This is what you use to make gravy. It is a roux mixed together with beef or veal stock to make a thickened sauce, and it makes gravy or demi-glace from classical cooking or burgundy sauce. The fourth of the mother sauces is hollandaise sauce. This is an emulsified sauce. They put a lot of fat and eggs and a little bit of liquid, and they beat it really hard until air gets into it and it turns it into a smooth, thick sauce. Mayonnaise is from the hollandaise mother sauce, as is béarnaise sauce. The last of the sauces is tomato sauce. Now in the old days they used to make a roux and add tomato to it, but modern day tomato sauce is almost always made with pureed tomatoes and no roux. So it's good that you know about the 5 mother sauces, because now the next time that somebody serves you sausage and gravy, you can say, I love meat in a bechamel sauce. And that's another tip from the old fat guy.